Hello dear friends, Namaste. You can see a glow in my face and a happiness, a great grand smile on my face also. Yeah, come on. The same way you can see my face, the blossoming face, I would like to say. Really, in that particular video that Sihi Kahi Chandru will do, wonderful yaar. Do now. Like that. Let's have it. Hello dear friends, Namaste. So I hope you people are safe, healthy. Today dear friends, you can see a glow in my face and a happiness, a great grand smile on my face also, and also a flower, how when it blooms, when it blossoms, right? So at that time how you feel, no? Like the same way you can see my face, the blossoming face, I would like to say. So dear friends, the reason because of this wonderful color that I'm getting, or it might be, you may think that what is the diet that I'm following, right? So you have to follow this type of diet in your daily life. What I'm doing right now is of course doing workout every day with a wonderful exercise modules that I have kept for myself. Along with that, I have introduced myself with good yogic foods, so which are sages in the ancient times they used to take such type of food diet that I am following. So because of that reason I thought today that why should not I can make the videos of these things also, so that you can also get an idea of this. So this is the first video of my first recipe. I'm following with many diet like vegetable salad, or it might be dalia, millet dalia, and also many other like oats I'm having every day. So it's really going very well and I'm feeling very energetic also within myself. Today I'm going to show you one of the recipe that I made, and it's really tasty, really wonderful, and you have to at least do it once in your home. So what is that recipe? Yeah, now here we go. So yeah, it's a really wonderful, delicious diet plan, that food that I'm having right now. So I would like to tell you that what all the things that I have added in this. The first thing is banana. You are here, when you saw that picture, when you saw that image, you are observing only the banana, right? But along with banana I have added so many other things which adds wonderful taste for it. So I'm living my daily life only on this type of diet right now. From few days back I have started this. This is a healthy lifestyle also, and it gives you a wonderful energy within yourself and within your mind and within your body. So what I have added in this particular delicious recipe that I would like to tell, first thing that I have added is banana. You can see here that I took a knife and I have cut that banana in the right form, and after that I have added some sort of honey, so with that, which adds a wonderful taste for it. So I have added honey for it, and after that I have taken some jaggery also. I have added jaggery also, due to that after having only honey it was not that much of sweet. So because of that reason I added some bit of jaggery, and after that some spinach of cardamom that I have taken, and after that some cashew nuts and dry grapes. All these things that I have added, and I have mixed it very well, and now I am going to have it. It's really delicious. I hope you have to do this once, at least once, and you have to taste it. Really, it's a wonderful diet that you will have, and you will enjoy this really. Now come, let us have it, and let's see how it is. Yeah, come on, let's have it. Wonderful yaar. Really, in that particular video that Sihi Kahi Chandru will do now, like that. It's really delicious. and you have to try it once, my dear friends. Thank you very much. So next, from the day when I prepare such type of natural diet, when I follow and I will prepare, I will show you the preparation video also, and all my workout routine also, and my daily routine also, how I perform, do the things in my daily life. I will show it with you also, I will share with you, so that you can get some of the idea with this, and you can also practice it. And you can also lose your weight if you are a fatty person. So you can lose your weight and you can become a fit muscular body, like athlete body you can get. So once again, we will meet in the next video. Thank you. Take care.